Welcome back everybody, and we are at question number 10 in exercise 6.5. So trigonometry, we are at multiple choice question. The question states, if the ratio of the height of the tower and the length of the shadow is root 3 is to 1. Whenever you have a problem of ratio, just introduce a constant called k. Then the angle of elevation to the sun has a measure this. So we need to find the angle of elevation to the sun. So before going into the answer, I request you all to please subscribe the video and share among your friends. Now we are at question number 10. As you can see in question number 10, let us consider that this is the height of the tower and this is the shadow of the tower, and this is the position of the sun. As sun's rays fall on it, it creates a shadow. So because we are given with ratio, so height of the tower is equal to root 3k, length of the shadow equal to 1k. So we have to introduce a constant. So why do we introduce constant? We introduce constant so that because in ratio the reduction, it will be always written in the reduction form. So we don't know the actual length of it. Okay. Then we substitute tan theta because we need to find the theta here, and we know only opposite side and adjacent side, because their question arises among the students that when should we use tan and when should we use cos, secant, whatever it is. If you know the value, so what we know the opposite side, we know the shadow is adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent is the side ratio for tan, that is why we use tan here. Tan is equal to opposite by adjacent, it becomes root 3k by 1k. So kk being cancelled, so hence we left tan theta is equal to root 3, therefore theta is equal to 60 degree. Hence the option is D, because the value of tan 60 is root 3. Okay, next, those who did not subscribe, please subscribe the channel. Coming to question number 11, the electric pole subtends an angle of 30 degree at a point on the same level as its foot. At the second point B meter above the first, the depression of the foot of the pole is 60 degree and the length of the pole is equal to. So we need to find the length of the pole. So we go into the diagram and see whether how it is being explained. Now this is the pole at a point B. So B is the point. Above that there is a point A which makes an angle of 30 degree. Okay. And so this angle is also given from B, it is 60 degree. Okay, so we write AB is equals to total H, because we have been given that from the ground to the height B, it is small b. So if this is small b, this is also small b. So we write BC equal to ED is equals to B, and CD is distance we don't know, hence we write A. Okay, in triangle ECD, so this is E, this is C, this is D. So always we have to take the smaller triangle first. Okay, so ECD. At triangle ECD, tan 60 degree is equals to B by A. So tan 60 is root 3, which is B by A. So we write this in the form of A, which is equal to B by root 3. Okay, so as we write in the form of B by root 3, next we take the bigger triangle. So bigger triangle is A, C and D. So if the bigger triangle becomes ACD, so tan 30 becomes B plus H by A. So 1 by root 3 is equals to B plus H by A. So A is equals to root 3 into B plus H. So once we get the value of root 3 into B plus H, therefore we can write that B root 3 is equals to root 3 into B plus A, because these two values are equal to A. Hence once we make both the A equal, we get this. Then what we do, we take root 3 to that side of equal to, because we are asked to find the height of the building. So height of the building is B plus H together. So B plus H is equals to B by 3. B by 3, the option given is B. Now the question number 12. A tower is 60 meter height. Its shadow is x meter shorter when the sun's altitude is at 45 degree than when it has been at 30 degree. Then x is equal to. So we are given a tower which is 60 meter of height. So at point it is C, it is 45 degree, and the point x meter away it becomes 30 degree. Okay, so in triangle ABC I told you that we find the shorter triangle first. So ABC is equals to tan 45 degree equal to AB by BC. So this is AB and this is BC. So tan 45 is 160 by BC. So BC is equals to 60 meters. Okay, triangle ABD is equals to tan 30, which is AB by BD, AB by BD. So when we take BD completely, there is a point C in between. So we write BC plus CD. So BC plus CD. So 1 by root 3 is equals to 60 by 60 plus x. We just cross multiply. It becomes x equal to 60 root 3 minus 60. So once we take out 60 common, it becomes root 3 minus 1. As you know, root 3 is 1.732. Minus 1 becomes 0.732. So once you multiply these, it becomes 43.92 meters. So it is given as option B. Okay. Now we are coming to question number 13. Please subscribe the channel and share among your friends. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 20-meter tall building from the top of a multi-story building is 30 and 60 degree. So there is a 20-meter tall building and there is a multi-story building. So multi-story building, the height of the multi-story building and the distance between the two buildings. We need to find these two things. Okay. So first we draw a multi-story building, a short building which is 20 meter height. So this has to be 20 meter. So the axis of height will be written as x. So because we are given angle of depression, so we draw like this and it becomes 30 degree here and 60 degree here. So tan 60 is equals to x plus 20 by y. So x plus 20 by y. So tan 60 is root 3. We just cross multiply root 3y. It becomes x plus 20. Next we are coming to the shorter triangle. This. So AB by EB. So tan 30 degrees equals to x by y. X by y. If this is y, this is also y. So 1 by root 3 is equals to x by y. Y is equals to root 3x. As we know this, so what we do, root 3 into root 3x equal to x plus 20. So root 3 into 3x minus x equal to 20. So 2x equal to 20. Hence therefore x equal to 10. Once we get this, y is equals to root 3 into x. We substitute the value of x here. So it becomes 10 root 3. Therefore the height of the building is x plus 20, which is 10 plus 20, which is 30 meters, and the height distance between them is y is equals to 10 root 3, which is 30 comma 10 root 3. Hence the option given is D. I have to rush because the video is about to close. Hence please subscribe the channel. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in comment box, or if you want to make any comments, positive, negative, everything is welcome. Thank you.